Hi, welcome to Prodigy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and get lot more useful videos. Tableau is offering free training with free courses with free certificate. Let's see what it is. Tableau is one of the most popular data visualization tool in this world. So we have given this link in the description. Click on that and come to this site and you will be seeing something like this free for 90 days. That is, this free course is offered for 90 days from the date of registration and you have to register before June 30, 2020. So let me show you how to enroll in these courses and training. First, you will be coming to this site and seeing these 4 steps here. If you scroll down a little bit, you will be seeing this. So what you have to do is just wait, let me show it. Click on this first step, go to https elearning.tableau.com. This link, just click on this link and you will be redirected to create an account. So if you already have a Tableau account, just give your mail ID and password and sign in with it, or you have to click on create an account. Once you click on create an account, you will be coming here. Just give your first name, last name and email ID, and you have to create password. Make sure your password is strong and it has to be between 8 to 100 characters long. It should contain letter and number. So make a strong password, guys. So this is not simple as other accounts. Tableau is one of the popular software you could learn for free. Make use of this opportunity, create a strong password and just sign in. So once you've given the password, click on create an account, create my account. So you will be coming here after clicking on create my account. So now what it is given is you will be receiving an email containing a link to for further steps. So just open your mail ID and check. You might have received an email from Tableau software. So you will be seeing a mail like this. What you have to do is just click on the link, that is the first link. Let me show you how. Here it is. To activate your account, click on this link. And then once you click on this link, you will be coming here. That is, your Tableau account is successfully activated. Now you have to log in. Don't worry, it will automatically load and bring you here. Just enter your mail ID and password. And if you want to Tableau to remember your password and login credentials, just check this box and click in sign in. Once you click in sign in, you will be coming here. Welcome to Tableau e-learning. Just give your activation code, sorry, access code. Access code is 2020 e-learning. So make sure you are giving the correct spelling, correct number. Make sure it is correct. See, you can see here 2020 e-learning is the access code. So see that and give it properly and check this box, terms and conditions, and then click on continue. Wait for some time. Sorry for the for net. So that's it, guys. We have enrolled, we have created a Tableau account. We are now seeing the courses learning path we are seeing. So let's see the learning path for data scientist. So here it is, data scientist. Let's see what are the courses we need to complete for data scientist. So getting started with Tableau desktop 1, fundamentals 2, 3, visual analysis. So a lot of things are there. So go through this is learning path. So you have to do all these courses listed in data scientist to learn data science. So here it is, desktop 1 fundamentals. It is a part of data science as well. So in curriculum you can see what are the things you'll be learning. So in this course you'll be learning connecting the data, filtering the data, and creating groups, creating hierarchies, and working with the data fields, and lot more, guys. It's complete from basic level to advanced level. You'll be learning from everything. You don't need any prior knowledge. Prerequisites is none. You don't need anything to in prior to join this course. So Tableau is a data visualization tool, as I said before. What it does is simply convert the raw data into a meaningful one. So if you are a data scientist or want to do a course in that, it will be a base for you. Just enroll in these courses. So click on start now, and you will be completely enrolled in a course only when you press start now. You'll be start learning. So you'll be coming here once you press start now. Totally there are 107 courses, sorry, 107 lessons in this desktop one fundamentals alone. So if you have any questions or any queries, or if you want to know if you will get a receiver certificate, just click on that icon at the top here and you click on FAQ. You'll be seeing all the questions here. If you have any queries or errors you are facing, just come here and see if you could find the solution. So what I'll show is, do I get a certificate of completion for finishing this course? So what they have said is, you will be receiving a certificate only after completing all the modules in the lesson. So you'll be receiving a certificate. Check the description for all links. So if you like this video, drop a like, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you very soon in next video.